Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing these 12-inch Kinky straight clip-ins from Curlsqueen hair. Thank you so much Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video and sending me over this hair. So in addition to the clip-ins, they do send you a brush, a bonnet, and extra clips. And as you can see, the clip-ins are super full and very good quality, very well made. So here you just see I braided my hair down. I tried to braid the braids up as I went, but my hair is so thick, I couldn't do it. So here you just see me sewing the braids that I couldn't braid up. And so here I'm just going to blow dry the hair, just blow dry some of the kinks out, and then I'm going to straighten the hair. So right into the install, I do start with the longest clip-ins, and I do leave one long clip-in just to cover the whole perimeter of my leave-out. And then as I continue to go up, I take the shorter lengths and I just connect them until I cover my whole head. So I did use the full bundle of hair. Some of the footage was lost where I installed some of the two clip-ins. But yeah, I did use the whole bundle of hair. So after I install all the clip-ins, I'm just going to straighten my leave out. And then I'm just going to comb it down and just to cover up the tracks and blend the hair. Blend my hair with the clip-ins. So once I combed everything down, I didn't like how it was looking, like how it would look like different lengths. So I did go in and cut the hair just to like one length, and I felt like that looked way better. And I didn't quite get the first side, cutting the first side in frame, but you'll see me cut the other side in frame. And I just went, you know, try to do one side at a time just to see what it was going to look like. And I don't have a lot of baby hair, but I did put some edge control on my edges. And I tried to do this like swoop thing I've been seeing like in the front, like, but yeah, that was not my look. So I ended up combing that out and just having it just like straight down. But yeah, I just left it in for the video. So here, yep, like I said, in frame, you just see me cutting the other side. And then I'm just going to go back and just make sure both sides are even. And y'all cannot tell me this is not my hair. Like, that literally looks like my hair. And I actually am not mad at that length. I wanted to go shorter, but I really actually like that length. So, yeah. Super, super pretty. Super natural looking. And then I'm just going to go in and put edge control on the other side. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Here, I'm just playing in the hair, just combing it. It just looks so good. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.